Friends, today I decided to check out CleverBot. And for those who don't know what CleverBot is, it's just a chatbot that uses machine learning and techniques to have conversations with human beings. And I can't remember well, but I think it was launched by someone called Rollo Carpenter. Now, since launching on the web, the number of conversations this bot has had is over 150 million. Can you imagine? Now, this particular bot, the responses, unlike other weak AIs, the responses are not pre-programmed by human beings. I mean, weak AI generally are things like Alexas and Siri. These are things that are pre-programmed and they are able to use speech recognition and all that. But in CleverBot, I mean, this thing was able to participate and pass the Turing test in 2011. Now, what is the Turing test? And first of all, please tell me on the comments below whether you think CleverBot is a weak AI or a strong AI. We'll check those comments at the end of this video. Now, talking of the Turing test, out of 1,300 votes that were cast, 59% of those felt that CleverBot was more of a human. Now, let me explain to you something about the Turing test. Now, this is a test that it's supposed to be 3 rooms, and there is a machine, there is a human being, and then there is an interrogator, right? The interrogator is also a human being, but the interrogator doesn't have to know who is on the other side and who is speaking or who is typing, right? So if we were to do this test using a speech, it would be very easier for the machine to fool the interrogator. So we teletype. So the interrogator, if the machine successfully misleads the interrogator into thinking that the machine is a human, then we can simply say that the machine is intelligent, right? So if the machine tries to fool the interrogator to believe that it's human, and at the same time the human is also trying to convince the interrogator that it's human, then if the machine succeeds in fooling the interrogator, then we can conclude that the machine is intelligent. Same thing, same concept. So what's your take on Turing test? I know there is a lot of people who are disputing this particular test, and because human beings sometimes they don't have to be intelligent all the time, they act rationally, but that is a debate for another day. So let's go and do this test. All right, so I don't want to use speech, I'm just going to type and see how it behaves. And okay, let's ask about how are you feeling? Okay, so let's see, how are you feeling today? Let's see the response. Good. How are you feeling? I'm fine. Oh, that's good. Where are you from? Where are you from? How about that? Let's see. I'm not telling you. Why? Because I'm a kid. That's a lie. Oh, really? Well, everything went on smoothly until I asked this question about countries. You see, not intelligent as I have thought. Is so what's your take? I mean, is this a weak AI or a strong AI? check out my other YouTube videos on what agents are, as well as the good and bad for AI. See you next time.